Hello mga be! Welcome to another vlog! We're on our way to LAX because we're going to Japan! Woo! Samahan niyo kami! Hi, so we're here at Narita Terminal 1. We're just here for an hour and 45 minutes for a quick layover before heading to Tokyo. Yeah, we're going to the gate now. So we booked this Philippine Airlines flight because at that time they have a seat sale, so it's quite nice to have like a discounted ticket because we booked this flight last minute because we weren't really decided if we're gonna go or not yet. So good thing they have like a seat sale, which is really helpful. Thank you, Philippine Airlines. So we made it to Japan. Oh, seatbelt. Seatbelt daw, guys. Guys, we made it to Japan. So we landed at Narita Airport. We're supposed to take the train going to our hotel because it's just one ride. But our good friend Pia recommended this private tour. It's called Your Travel Guide, Daily Private Tours and Airport Transfers. I'll put the link below. It's a private transfer, which is very convenient because once you get out of the terminal, they will pick you up and they will contact you via WhatsApp. So it's very convenient because you don't have to worry about your luggage because there are like two trains that you can take from Narita Airport. One is the Skyliner and the other one is Sky Access. So Sky Access, there is no area where you can put your luggage, but with Skyliner it's more convenient because there's a luggage area and you have your own seat assignment. But we didn't take that Skyliner because there will be lots of transfers going to our hotel. So good thing this was recommended by our friend. So we just booked the private transfer. So yeah, we're on our way to our hotel now. It's probably an hour going there, and then I'll give you guys a room tour later. So our room number is 10004. Let me give you
10004 1004.
1004. Let me give you a room tour. Yay! It's our room. Okay guys, quick room tour. This is gonna be very quick because it's small but functional. Let me show you. So this is the room. The bed, it's a double bed with, I think this is humidifier, TV, there's a window. Ooh, that is Sumida River. Coffee, kettle, mini fridge. They have phone. They have free water. The hair dryer is right here. Hair dryer. Ooh, you don't have to bring your sleepwear because they already provided sleepwear for you. I don't know what that is.
Deodorizer.
Antibacterial. Okay, deodorizer.
Salamin.
Full length mirror. And here's the bathroom. So as soon as you enter the door, on the right side is the bathroom. So it's a French door. I don't know what door is this.
Bifold door.
It's a bifold door. Toilet, Japanese toilet, bathtub, and shower. So, towels. It's very clean. That's it for your room tour. We'll take a quick shower and then we'll head out. We're kind of hungry, so while the sun is still up, we're gonna go out and explore. Okay, later. Okay, we're out and about. We look human again. Yan, naka-shower na ang persons, guys. Okay na. Mukhang tao ulit. Yes. Temperature outside is 55 degrees Fahrenheit. We're here at Sumida Park. We're walking towards the area where there's a lot of cherry blossoms. So I'll show you guys later. But for now, we have a view of Tokyo Skytree. Let me show you. So we bumped into this takoyaki stand by Asakusa Station. We're gonna try it. This is their menu. So Bebs is buying drinks. And this is the takoyaki stand. This is the oldest takoyaki stand in Asakusa. It's by Asakusa Station and Sumida River. It's really hard to miss.
Wow.
Whoa! This is legit takoyaki. Careful, it's hot. How is it?
Very good.
Very good?
Very good. waited a long time to do this.
Whoa. Very good. In their vending machine, you can choose hot drinks and cold drinks. It's creamy cocoa and it's hot drink. Sometimes you'll find recycle bins next to the vending machines. Once done drinking, you can dispose of them there. After some snacks, we decided to head to Yokohama to meet our friend Hyder.
The next station is Myorenji, TY17. The doors on the left side will open.
Google Maps is very efficient in Japan, and as a do-it-yourself tourists, we use it every day. We wouldn't know how to get to places without it. You might want to check out the highlighted parts here to navigate like a pro with Japan's subway system. Also, there are car trains for women only. We're here at Yokohama. We're gonna eat pork cutlet.
Sikat yan. Number 1 dito yan sa Japan. Eh, ano mo itong kokos.
Drinks. Wala tayong drinks.
Drinks, oh.
May soda ba?
Hindi sumasagot si Sad eh.
Baka nasa ano?
Baka nasa gitna ng laot.
It's your food.
Seafood.
Yum. Say hello to my vlog.
Say hello to my vlog.
Hello vlog, welcome to my friends.
hello vlog. Welcome to my fans. Chill lang yung lakad dito, be.
Let's try this. Let's see what's your food.
What's the time yours? But I got some squid.
Oh.
Bakit? Ito, tingnan nyo, hipon.
Sige be. Ang sarap.
Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, dapat di nyo mamiss to. Focus. Diba?
So good.
Hindi manghang yan. Matamis yan.
Ah, sarap.
Diba?
Ito kinakain ko mga.
Anong number?
One.
Yay.
Ikaw nga 4 eh.
Yung una kong order dito, 8 eh. Ang yabang ko pa eh. Paglabas ko, parang naligo ako eh. Pawis ako, ang pula ko.
Yabang mo.
8 eh, 8.
Ngayon 4 na lang.
Ito pa.
Okay, that's it for our first day in Japan. We'll see you guys tomorrow. We're going to Kawagoe. This is the Sakura tree behind me. How nice, right? So beautiful. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.